So this is the first time my best friend, hi best friend, did my lashes. Now I'm gonna show you what happened when I tried them for myself. Stay tuned. So when I started, I just knew I could not show this on video. So I just spent half an hour. I tried to put on whatever the hell, I don't know, lashes, right? And I wanted them already. Like, how to do it? How to wear it for like weeks? Day back a day. How? And for those who know where I go, so them don't look good and them don't put on good. Trust me, I know. But just curious as to how to do it. That's it. That's all. So I took them off. I couldn't do it. I'm sorry. Don't get me wrong though, I love seeing lashes. I love how it looks when it's done right on me by my friend. I think I'm gonna make it like a challenge to myself to try it again on video and let you guys see how that works out. Wish me luck. Shout out to my best friend though, she always comes through.